Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're doing the bracing kit in the Adventure Kings Grand Tour tent. I haven't had any issues with mine, hasn't leaked, the roof hasn't fallen down or anything. This is the Mark 1 I got up here. I don't know, I must have just got a good one, who knows. Well, contacted Kings, they were pretty cool about it. They said I haven't had any issues, but they said to me via email they'd send it out to me anyway, and I got it. The bracing kit. So this is basically the bracing kit. You get 1, 2, 3, 4, you get 5 long ones and 1 shorter one, which is the one that's unwrapped. Only thing I would say is that I wish Kings had marked the one that was shorter. It's a bastard trying to work out which one was the short one. We did in the end, obviously, because we unwrapped it. So yeah, they give you all the fitting hardware. They just give you 10 of these, only 10. It would have been nice, a couple of spares would have been good, but you know how it is. Tools for today is obviously just a normal boring screwdriver, Phillips head, pointy nose, drill, and I think it's 8mm. Yeah, 8mm spanner. That's all we're doing. So we'll make a start on it sooner or later. So we'll just go up on the ladder here. All right, I've ripped the mattress out, as you can see. Everything's good so far. Just get in here. Now, sorry about this. So these things here we've got to take out. So there's obviously, you know, all of them. I'm going to take it out one at a time. They do say in the instructions to take them all out. I don't know why, but I'm only going to take one out at a time and see how we go. They obviously go all the way down. The shorter one is for here. That's where that hydraulic ram is that holds the top up. That's where the shorter one goes. And they go all the way down the bottom. As I said, I've had no problems with mine. Roof's in good nick. So, I don't know. As I said, I must have got a good one. Who knows? All right, I'm going to get stuck in. Oh, here we go, guys. Just pop the screws out then. They came out fairly easy. Two different sizes, obviously, if you can see that. Hopefully you can. Yep. So it came out really easy, just by hand, really. Just a screwdriver and held the nut at the end there. So they're completely different. As I said, just came out really super easy. Hopefully this comes up all right. So that's just the first bar I've taken out, like the first 2 screws. Oh, sorry about that. So we'll put the bar in and see how we go. All right, see you soon. Crap. All right, the first one's in. Doesn't look too bad actually. Blends in really well with the roof. Do yourself a favour. This is really a 2-person job. One person can do it, but it's a little bit difficult because the bars have got a bow in them. You've got to really push up and to line that hole up. It was a bit of a, you know, pain in the bum. So yeah, it went in really well. And do yourself another favour. Oops. Yeah, do yourself another favour and get a ratchet. 8mm. Makes life a hell of a lot easier than trying to use a normal 8mm spanner. Use that and you can just hook it up there and start screwing in and just, rather than taking it out and putting it back in again. So yeah, do yourself a favour. All right, the next two will come out really easy again. As I said, I don't know, I must have just got lucky, or I'm just very skillful. I don't think skill's got anything to do with it. It's more luck. All right, we'll put the rest of the bars in. I'll give you a look, but the first one went in really well. We'll do the second one, third, and so on and so on. All right, see you soon. Okay guys, this is the hardest one to put in, is the one where the gas struts is. Mate, it was a mongrel. Do yourself a favour and get a friend to help you. Don't do it on your own. This like took me forever. And the problem is they don't mark which is the shortest. So if you're unlucky enough like I just did and try to put the long one in there, it doesn't work. So here's a little hint for you. Ed's handful hits. Leave the plastic wrapping on them to find your small one. That way the Velcro that won't adhere to the top of your tent. So, mate, that was impossible. But got it in. So once again, just make sure you leave this wrapping on it so you can put it up against the tent to work out which is the short one. All right, and oh, please have 2 people help you, or have someone else to help you, mate. Oh, well, Another 3 to go. Hey guys, we're back. They're in. Awesome. Took a while to get them in, but they got in okay. One thing I did find though, towards the end, as you do, screw one end in, tighten it up, and it makes it easier to line up on the other side. There. So yeah, that's one of the things I learnt the hard way. But you don't have to learn the hard way because you're watching this video, which is even better. A friend of mine, Nas from Nastime Adventures, has got the Mark II. Obviously the Mark II doesn't have the roof braces in or supplied. I think they're under the roof lining. Nas went away not so long ago on his camper trailer for 2 weeks in his tent. As far as I know, Nas had no problems at all. Go over and have a look at Nas's YouTube channel of us installing his Mark II on his rooftop on his camper. So yeah, this has been pretty awesome. So put the mattress in and we'll go from there. I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. Hope it's been informative. If you have any questions, don't be scared to drop me a message in the bottom, send me an email. Happy to have a chat to tell you how I did it or how I didn't do it. And yeah, we'll go from there. So happy day, guys. I'll put the mattress in there, all ready to go camping once again. And yeah, it'd be good once we get out of isolation down here in Victoria. You know how it is. All right, guys, and we'll see you in the next video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. And we'll see you later. Bye.